Here is another example on ALEKS where we need to graph a logarithmic function, but the strategies are a little different here because we have to build the graph on our own. We have to plot at least 2 points on the graph, draw the asymptotes, and finally we click on the graph icon. So this graph is f of x is equal to 4 times log base 2 of x. Now we haven't really covered multipliers when we did our examples because it's not really a thing that I'm going to concentrate on for you to graph by hand. So with point plotting though, it's really easy to get 2 points for this graph. Now the characteristics of a logarithm are that it has a vertical asymptote at 0 and it has an intercept at 1, 0. Those characteristics are not going to change when we multiply by 4. The only way that this asymptote is going to move is if we go left or right, and multiplying by 4 is not going to be that kind of horizontal transformation. So then I know that the graph has an asymptote at 0, and I think it's going to have, the intercept 1 to the right like we've learned, but I'm going to show you how you can verify that by point plotting. So what we do to figure that out is we want to see what's the y-coordinate when x is 1. So if you go back to your equation, you're taking 4 times log base 2 and we're going to let x be 1. Now log base 2 of 1, to evaluate that, you're figuring out what power of 2 becomes 1. Well, anytime you have a base and you raise it to a power and you get 1, that power has to be 0. The 0 power makes it become 1. So log base 2 of 1 is 0. So I have 4 times 0 now. 4 times 0 is 0. So yes, my ordered pair intercept is at 1, 0. Now to find a second point, the easiest thing to do is to let x equal the base number. So I'm going to let x equal 2. So I have 4 times log base 2 of 2. What power of 2 becomes 2? Well, 2 to the first is 2. So log 2 of 2 is the number 1. So now I have 4 times 1, which is 4, and that ordered pair was where I let x be 2 and I got y is 4. So what this does is multiplying by 4 creates a vertical stretch on the graph. So to graph this on ALEKS now, I'm going to graph the asymptote first at 0, and I can click on this icon to directly type in what my ordered pairs are, or I can also click on this pencil icon to plot those ordered pairs. So if I wanted to plot my 2, 4, I would just click on 2, 4. And then once you got all of that done, you got your asymptote and your 2 points, you click finally on the graph and it will complete the graph for you.